The bus going to Tagbayaon. Ready na kayo?
Yes!
Excited?
Ready for
Okay.
the adventure.
Ready for caving? My pinya. Tagbayaon. Arrive already. We're going now to Tagbayaon. The motorbike. Yeah, ready? Going na to Barangay Tagbayaon. Barangay Tagbayaon. Oh, yan. Oh, yan. O, sige, smile. Oh, yan, 1, 2. Now in Tagbayaon. So, we can logbook here. Penaga. And then we go now to the cave. Yeah. Okay, hiking na. Now to the Lobo Cave Farm. Ready for hiking?
Yes!
Okay. Hiking. 40 minutes.
Ready! Pineapple.
Oh, pinya. Yeah, in it. Okay. So that's Yabong. So later we go there. Later by boat. Town of Yabong. Oh, nice. Okay. Nice view. So the cave below there. The Lobo Cave Farm. That's Yabong there. The town of Yabong. Your step.
Okay.
Okay. Sige. Pwede kayo humawak sa mga kahoy-kahoy. Hawak like that. Oh. Doon lang. Sa farm. So, welcome to Lobo Cave Farm. Okay, diretso lang doon. Okay.
Nangangalaglag yung nyog. Nangangalaglag yung
Sige doon na, pahinga na doon. Sa farm. The Lobo Cave Farm. Na. Take a shade. Apple. Okay, kain lang.
Hindi na ako pwedeng sobrang.
Okay, so we're now hiking 5 minutes going to the cave now. Lobo Cave. So we're now arriving Lobo Cave. There the entrance. Yan na. Yeah. Okay, dito na tayo. Welcome to Lobo Cave entrance. Ready to go?
Ready. Ready. Hello. Yo.
Lobo Cave?
Ready.
Okay, let's go. Entering now Lobo Cave. Ready. Okay. A nice formation there. Really wide. Nag-connect na yung stalactite at saka stalagmite. Nice. Stalactite. Beautiful. So we're arriving now here at the wings of the angel. Yeah. So, dead lang ito para lang siya ng kwarto dito. Yeah, Wings of the Angel. Yeah. Very nice. Yeah, beautiful Wings of the Angel. Yeah. See?
Siguro nung ano nila to, nung una nilang beses na nakita.
Hmm.
Mga siguro sila.
Oh, first time na.
Ang ganda.
Okay. Nice.
Ayun, siguro. Very good.
Going down to the Grand Canyon. Let's go. Open your light. Okay, go.
Okay. Let's go.
Okay, let's go. Okay.
Bobby.
So going there. There's a underground river. A small underground river. Ito river na.
Parang sa Google.
Oh, yung above parang chandelier. Ito parang cortina. Yeah. Ito, terraces. Water terraces tawag namin. Oh, pag may kuan na laging umulan na nagkakatubig na ito. So yung parang line niya, yan ang level ng water. Grand Canyon. Yeah, very nice. Oh, yan. Marami siyang mga legs.
Hindi na
Ano yan?
Oh, diretso na sa natural bathtub.
Ay, ba?
Yan, bathtub. Sige, ligo na kayo doon. Go. Walang bukal sa inyong bulsa? Walang nakalagay? Sige, okay lang. Sige, diretso. Yeah. Oh, natural bathtub.
Ha?
Oh, bathtub na kayo. Ligo na kayo. Sige. Natural bathtub. Malamig.
Puro pawis sa malamig. Parang hindi sanay. Parang...
Ang Diamond Passage. Ready to go.
Ay, hindi iwan lang po ito.
Iwan lang yung mga bag.
Ayun po.
Oh, dito lang yung mga bag na. Babalik. Okay, going down in the Diamond Passage.
Sir, 79 kilos po.
Oh, kaya yan. O, tingin dito. Yeah, smile. Okay.
Nang palalim yan, sir?
Mga 3 meters lang. Yan. Sige, pwede ka magsandal-sandal. So, kan mo baba, sandal. Yan. Tapos baba konti. Sige.
Ano naka-invento ng ganito? Very extreme. Pero, 10 meters lang naman siya eh.
3 meter lang yun. Sige. O, tingin mo na dito. Picture. Yan. Smile. Yan. O. Diba? Kayang-kaya. Sige.
Oh, akit ako ulit! Na-picture na ako eh! Pare! Na-picture na ako ba? Ay, napusin ko daw. Wala tayo magagawa. Sa may pakanali ko eh. Sunod lang tayo. Tapos. Tapos. Sa Johnny, huwag mo bibitawan sa Johnny.
Oh, sige.
Marut. Isang paa. Ay, sorry. Kamay ko. Ay!
Now we're at the waterfall. Ah. Gulong. Oh. Ito yung mga bat. Yan, no? Natutulog sila. Kita mo? Bat yan. Tulog sila. Yan. Taas.
Ay, wala. Ay, nadami. Bakit mo nakakumpul sila?
Yan, maraming bat. Hindi kami nagka-camp dito. Dadaan lang. Yan, marami sila. Ito na yung underground river. Okay, open your light. Ready for swimming?
Yeah.
Okay, so turn around and go swim. Yeah, swim. Go. Sige.
Malalim? Wala.
Oh, sige, try mo. Lulutang ka. Sige. Ayan. Oh, try mo muna. Sige. Oh, palutang ka muna.
Hawakan dito,
Oh,
itaas mo yung paa mo.
oh, relax lang.
Taas mo yung paa mo. Umupo mo niya.
Upo ka.
Tapos i-ano mo yung paa mo.
Oh.
Diba? Oo.
Dead end. Yeah.
Malapit na sir ha?
Malapit na. Konti na lang. Malapit na. Yan na. Okay, we're now in the dead end. Yeah, dead end now.
Finally!
Finally made it. Congratulations, we made it.
Finally!
Finally. And now, made it. Picture, smile. 1, 2.
Ito sa gilid na. Sa gilid.
Swimming.
Sa loob. Kasi mabaho.
Oh, magaling na lamang kayo siya, ma'am. Rapids. Okay.
Oh, yun naman. Bakit naman tayo dun sa balik na
Ah. Okay.
Ito ka nga kanya?
Ah. Giant mushroom. Oh, jellyfish. Jellyfish. Giant jellyfish. See you later. Back to the waterfall. Now we're going up now. We're gonna have our lunch. We're gonna go back to the Diamond Passage. Okay, let's go. Okay, climbing up again in the hall. Sige.
Alam po.
Okay.
Hindi abot lang pa ako.
Doon sa kabila lang muna.
Alam po. Hindi abot lang pa ako.
Okay. I'm cooking now.
Tinignan ko rin naman siya. Hindi
Chicken.
ko ano gumagano. Di ba? Ayun lang kami. Isa tayo.
Alam mo, lagi ko nayayakap yan.
Bila na lang.
Tayo sa oray.
Pangaon kita.
Mga ongkep.
Ay, ba't na doon?
Mga pa pangaon.
Mga on.
Kain ka madami, Mari. Ganun pa yung isa pang ganun yung kakain. Di ba mag-river crossing pa tayo?
Oh, exit. Lalangoy pa tayo. We're going out now, so Doming will go in there. Our guide going out the same way. So we go by swimming. So back to the river. Back for swimming. Diba, kung baba pa yan. Lakad lang yan. Sige. Now go out now for swimming in Lobo Cave. Swimming to the exit. Line, we're out in the cave. Sila nagsiswimming pa. Mabilis si ma'am lumangay, oh. Dito na siya. Iwanan natin sila.
O, diba? O, parang walang parang walang pinagdaanan sa buhay. Meron naman. Pakitak sa atin ng bakit. Pero yung kapit ko sa...
Hindi, change lang sa cable gear nyo. So time to change now. So now they're leaving Lobo Farm, going out to the boat area. 20 minutes walking to the boat. Let's go. Now we're near the boat area only. So we're gonna ride the boat. Boating time. Yeah, going now to Yabong. Boating time. After caving, now boating.
So fun.
Yeah, fun here. In Tingog River. Yeah, nice. Cave din yan pero maliit lang. Now Yabong. Bamboo Hill because this is the mussel capital of Samar, Tahong. We're on the highway now. Gonna ride a bus there to Catbalogan. We're back on the highway. We're gonna dock here. Okay. Okay. Yeah, maraming tahong. So yan, mga tahong yan. Ano? Okay, arriving now in Yabong. Welcome to Yabong, the capital of tahong. Mussel.
Tahong may bago na ako.
So we're now here in Catbalogan.